Power Automate allows you to automate workflows, including web scraping tasks, without needing to write code. It provides an easy way to extract data from websites using connectors, actions, and pre-built templates. While Power Automate isn't traditionally used for web scraping, you can leverage it for data extraction from websites that allow access to their data through APIs or simple HTML tables. Here's how you can scrape data using Power Automate. Create a flow. Start by creating a new flow in Power Automate. You can choose between a scheduled flow or an instant flow. Use HTTP action for web requests. Use the HTTP connector to send a request to a website. Set up the request with the desired URL, headers, and parameters. Parse HTML or JSON data. If the website provides data in JSON format, you can use parse JSON to extract it. If the data is in HTML, use the HTML table action or a regular expression to extract specific data points. Store data. Once extracted, you can store the data in Excel, SharePoint, or send it through email or Teams. Automate the flow. Schedule or trigger the flow as needed to run automatically at specific intervals.